Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to sell Fampay digital gold. We'll guide you through the entire process, from initiating the sale to receiving your funds. You'll learn about the simple steps to liquidate your gold, understand important details like minimum selling amounts and the necessary waiting period, and finally, discover how your money reaches your account quickly and securely. Let's get started. To begin selling your digital gold, simply open your Fampay application and navigate directly to the digital gold section. Once you're there, you'll easily spot the Sell Gold option. Tap on this to proceed with your transaction. You can then input the specific amount of gold you wish to sell, either by its weight in grams or by its equivalent value in rupees, making the process flexible for your needs. Before finalizing your sale, it's crucial to carefully review the displayed current market price for digital gold. Remember that a 3% goods and services tax will apply to your sale. Also, please ensure that at least 48 hours have passed since your initial gold purchase, as there's a brief lock-in period. Once all details are correct, confirm the transaction and authenticate using your Fampay PIN for security. After successfully confirming your sale, the proceeds are usually credited to your Fampay wallet almost instantly. It's important to note that you need a minimum balance of 10 rupees in your wallet to initiate a withdrawal. From your Fampay wallet, you can then conveniently transfer these funds to your linked bank account, which usually takes 1 to 2 business days to process and reflect.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.